storm in the desert, like a sleepy blue ocean. You fill up my senses, come fill me again. Come let me love you, let me give my life to you. Let me drown in your laughter, let me die in your arms. Let me lay down beside you, let me always be with you. Come let me love you, come love me again. You fill up my senses like a night in the forest, like a mountains in springtime, like a walk in the rain, like a storm in the desert, like a sleepy blue ocean. You fill up my senses, won't fill me again. Well, hi there pluckers, I'm Sore Fingers again with you with another classic oldie for you from the great John Denver, and a song called Annie's Song, one of his big hits. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as John Denver. Okay, so very simple little song this. It starts off with a D chord going up to a D sus4, pinky on the 3rd fret of the top E string. Okay, on and off, so it's off, on, off, on, off. You do, and you start to sing then. Okay, so that's when the verse kicks in. Okay, you fill up my G. I'm playing most of the time when I'm playing this song on a G chord, I'm playing a 4-fingered G to give it a little bit more jingly jangliness. Okay, it's a good term, jingly jangliness, like that. Okay, so just doubling up on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and the 1st string for a G chord. Okay, so you fill up my G, since A says B minor, like a G, night in a D forest. Okay, quite a lot of quick changing going on. Okay, so from the beginning, slowly. You fill up my senses like a night in the forest. Okay, and then there's a rundown on the D there, forest. You hit the D 4th string open, then put your pinky up to the 4th fret on the A string, and then move this 1st finger from the 3rd string up to the 2nd fret on the 5th string, keeping these two where they are from the D shape. Okay, just take this finger from the 3rd string 2nd fret to the 5th string on the 2nd fret and hit that note. So you've got to run down from D, you've got to really hear that. Okay, so that, got the idea? So hit the root note of the chord, so 4th fret of the 5th string, and then the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and then the open 5th string, back to the D shape, standard D shape with the open A string. Okay, so I can run down. Okay, got that, so far. Okay. You fill up my same G to A, B minor, G, run down. G to A, no sorry, G to F sharp minor this time, sorry, G, F sharp minor, 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape, these two fingers on the 4th fret, the 5th string and the 4th string, to an E minor, to a G, to an A, So that rundown from the D is rundown is got that? Quite a lot of quick changes going on here. Okay, so that's the end of the first verse almost. So let's start from the beginning again. From the beginning, you fill up my senses like a star. Run down. G, F sharp minor, E minor, G, A. And then I'm suspended 4 by moving that pinky up to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then back to the A again. And that's the first verse, or half the first verse, okay? So from the beginning, very, very slowly. You fill up my senses, B minor, G, D run down, G, F sharp minor, E minor, G, A, suspended, A, da da da, G, A, B minor, G, da da da, run down on D again, A, da da da, G, F sharp minor, E minor, A, D, suspended. Second verse, da, 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 right, and it repeats the whole thing again, exactly the same with different words, and that's all there is in the song. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's just go through this very slowly again for you. From the beginning, intro. There, you fill up G, A, B minor, G, da, da, run down on D, G, F sharp minor, E minor, G, A, suspended, A, and then goes to G again, da da da, that's right, da 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 da, G, A, da, B minor, G, da da, D run down, da da, G, F sharp minor, E minor, straight to the A this time, D, suspended, off, another verse, and that's it. Okay, so we'll just run through a couple of verses for you, slowly, okay, all together. You fill up my senses like a night in the forest, mountains in springtime, like a walk in the rain, like a storm in the desert, like a sleepy blue ocean. You fill up my senses, come fill me again, come let me love you, baby, I could live to you. Down in your letter, may die in your arms. Let me lay down beside you, and I'll always be with you. Come, let me love you. Oh, sorry, love you. Love me again. You fill up my senses like a night in the forest, like a mountains in springtime, like a walk in the rain, like a storm in the desert, like a sleepy blue ocean. My senses, come fill me again. D suspended 3 or 4 times and finish. That's it. Thanks for boys and girls, hope you enjoyed that. Sorry about the minor fluffs there, loss of concentration. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.